Okay, this is gonna be a quick one. So this is what you can expect in 2025 from Microsoft Excel. The new function will be able to detect different languages, text or string data. I got the same message in different languages, and if I select the cell where I want to detect what language is this exactly, then I start typing =, and I enter detect language. Pretty obvious. But I need to just select the actual string, close the angle brackets, and hit enter. And there we go. It identified the type of language in just a second. And if I want, I can even translate to another language. So let's translate this message to English. I'm going to start typing translate. The first argument is the actual text, comma. The source language is the language code we detected in this cell, comma again, and my target language is English. Close brackets, hit enter, and there we go. All languages have been translated by Excel. I hope this video was useful for you, and I'll see you next time.